Well, going up on is also today is Thursday, the first day of October. Some would we say we're at the 10th level of Jumanji, being as how 2020 is. However, I just want to start off by wishing Shensea happy birthday. I'll let you know what Shensea wants her birthday and the introduction to Spice new clothing wear called GRACI Noir.
For everybody that says they don't know what to give me for my birthday, speaking here, I love money. I would like some money for my birthday. I love his money. I love her money. I love everybody's money. Please. Please. Yes, that's what I want for my birthday. Money? Money. I'll be your money, me love. Can't say me never tell you. Oh.